How to fix Messenger nickname bug. Hey everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial video. So if you're also having issues with changing nicknames for the other person on Messenger, let me show you a couple of ways that you can fix this issue. Now, no matter how many times you try changing the nickname does not change at all. Now, the main reason this happens is because some kind of glitch in the system. So the first thing that you can try out is try to update your Messenger app. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and search for Messenger. Now if there are any new updates, you can just tap on update and update the app. Updating apps helps to fix these kind of glitches which may be causing the issue. So you just tap on update. Once the app has been updated, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it does not, the second thing that you can do is try to clear the data and cache of Messenger. So open up the settings of your phone and search for the apps option and open up manage apps. Through this section you'll be able to view all of the installed apps on your phone. Here just search for Messenger. Through this setting you just tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Again tap on clear data and tap on OK. Clearing the cache and the data of Messenger immediately log you out of your Messenger app and you'll again need to log in. So once that is done, you can again log into your Messenger and try to see if this fixes the issue. Now for some reason, if it still does not fix the issue, the last thing that you can do, completely remove the Messenger app from your phone. So just uninstall the app, and once the app has been uninstalled, again open up your Play Store or the App Store and again download the Messenger app. After that, log into your Messenger account, and by the time you do it, your problems of nickname bug will be fixed. So those are the couple of steps that you can do in order to fix this issue. So if this video did help you out, be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel. Along with that, also comment down below what kind of videos should we create next. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.